Hello my dear student, welcome to Nagesh Karasge Orchid School channel. Myself Hina Patel, I am going to teach you 5th standard mathematics. We had started with the second chapter, that is operations with a large number. Already we had learned the different types of operations. Yes, no my dear student? Yes, one is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division with a practical based sums we had solved. Now we are going to go today for the simplification. Yes, what to do in the simplification? Simplification means we have to reduce it to a lowest. We are having a different types of operations together and we have to simplify the sums. What are the rules of simplification? I will explain in detail and we will try to solve some examples of it. Yes, simplification of a numerical expression. The word itself says simplifications of numbers, that is a numerical expressions. What are the rules? We perform operations in a particular order. Here you can't change any order because when you are solving the steps we have to follow the order. First we have to divide, that is division, then multiplication followed by addition and subtraction. Again I will repeat, we have to follow the particular order, that is of operations. First we have to do the division, then multiplication, which is followed by first addition, then subtraction. In short, we can say it is a DMAS. What we can write? It is an DMAS. What is the meaning of that? D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Now we will see the different types of examples which are related to the DMAS rules. Step by step we will solve one example of it. Here already I had given one example, that is inside the bracket 16 plus 12 divided by 4 multiplied by 5 minus 2. You are thinking that expression is too large, but don't worry, I will give some trick to you how to solve it step by step. When we are having something, numbers and any operations in the bracket, first we have to solve the bracket. Then we have to know our rule, that is DMAS. First we have to find out the division, then next step we have to go for multiplication if we are having. After that multiplication we have to go for addition if we are having. If we don't have addition, then we can jump to direct subtraction. Now we will see here, what is here? Total of 16 plus 12 is 28. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 1 plus 1 is 2. In the previous class I had already told you, you can do the small additions directly in the horizontal way. Divided, so I will write the division sign, divided by 4. I will put the bracket because I have to solve it first. Multiply, write as it is, 5 as it is, minus whatever the operations, that operations we have to write, and 2, that is 5 minus 2. Now what we have to do? You know everyone the table of this 28 divided by 4. Yes, what is? We have to recite the table of 4 till we get 28, that is 7 4s are 28. So what will be the division of this? It will be 7. Then multiplication, I will write multiplication, then 5 as it is because I have to go for next operation is multiplication. So I had put the bracket minus 2. I had put the bracket, that is which type of a bracket? Yes, it is a round bracket. First we have to solve round bracket. What is 7 multiplied by 3? Is a 35. 7 5s are 35 minus 2. What will be this? 35 minus 2 is 33. Now again I will explain which steps you have to follow. First we have to do the addition, which will be, after that is division, write as it is. Whatever the terms, expressions you are having, write as it is. One by one, in one step we will go for one operation. After this, our first division, so we will divide this. It is 7 4s are 28, so we are writing 7 After that we are having a multiplication. So we will write multiplication. Whatever that expression or terms we are having, we will write here. Then 7 5s are 35 minus 2. This subtraction is very easy. Already you know. So you will write as after 35 minus 2 is 33. Another example which is already given here. 16 plus. Now we are having something in a bracket that is in the form of a division. Multiply by 5 minus 2. So what I will do? I will write 16 as it is because we have to solve first bracket. So 12 divided by 4 is how much? 3. Yes, 4 3s are 12. 16 I had written as it is. I have to solve first bracket. So I had solved the bracket. I got 3 here. I am having addition. So I have written addition sign. I had put the bracket. Then my multiplication by 5 minus 2 as it is. You got this statement expression. Now you know this. Because it is in the bracket, you have to solve this. 16 plus 3 is 19. Multiply by 5 minus 2. What will be 19 5s are? 95 minus 2. After subtraction, 95 minus 2 is 93. Same steps what we had followed here, which we had done in the previous. Because without operation, stepwise rules you have to follow for the operations. First division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So I think so everyone understood. We will go for one more example. Now you might be thinking what type of example here it is, having a different types of a brackets. Yes, you are right. Here 100 minus, this is known as an square bracket, this is known as an curly bracket, and this is known as an round bracket. I will explain you how to do it. It is in the square bracket. Why we are putting? We are having many operations together. We will put in a square bracket first. Inside what we are having different operations, we will put in the curly bracket, and which is the first to solve, which operations given we will do in the round bracket. Now 88 minus, here we are having curly bracket, 56 plus inside the bracket, that is round bracket, 32 minus 16. Now all the brackets are closed. So now we have to find out step by step. Already I told when it is given as the round bracket, we have to solve it first. So we will write the step as it is, 100 minus 88 as it is, minus curly bracket, we will write 56 plus 32 minus 16 is 16. So again I had completed my both the bracket, that is curly bracket and square bracket. Already I had solved the round bracket. Now write 100 as it is, write the operation what we are having, that is minus, put a square bracket, 88. Now we have to solve this curly bracket. So what we will do, addition of this, 6 plus 6 is 12. So we will write 2, 1 carry, that is 5 plus 1 6, and 1 over 7, this is 72. Now we will put a bracket close here. Now next step, write 100 as it is, minus 88 minus 72. If you are unable to do, you can do the rough work here to your right hand side, is 16. Now you can do this, 100 minus 16 is 84. So what again I will explain how to solve with the help of different types of bracket. Solve the round bracket first, which already I had given with a symbol. Then curly bracket, which is given by the symbol. First step we have to solve round bracket, then second step curly bracket, and third that is a square bracket. I think so if you follow this all the steps, you are able to solve any number of your choice with any operation you can write, and you can try to solve it. Now we will do the simplification. Simple. Again I am going for DMAS, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now we will solve one example here, which is given as 20 plus 16 divided by 2. Can anybody say which type of operations first we have to do? Yes, you are right. First we have to go for division. So I will solve this. I will write whatever the number as it is, 20 plus, what will be the division? 2, how much is 16? 8s are. 2 8s are 16. Now this, it is very easy, 20 plus 8 is 28. This is your answer which you had done first operation, not addition. First we have to do for division because we are following the rule of DMAS. Second sum we will go for this. 18 divided by 3 minus 2. Again, should we go for subtraction? No, because subtraction is the last. First we have to follow the steps of DMAS, that is division. What will be the 18 divided by 3? Everyone knows the 3 table? Yes, 6 3s are 18. We had solved this. Write whatever the sign here. I am having subtraction and 2 here. I will write here 2. What will be the 6 minus 2 will be 4. This is your answer. So follow the DMAS rule and do the step by step. One more example we will solve here. Here we are having many operations, 3 operations together. 30 plus 50 divided by 25 minus 10. You might be thinking what to do, but we are having the help of DMAS. DMAS means first we have to go for division. So what should I do? I will write 30 as it is. My operation is addition. I will write the addition. 50 divided by 25 is, you know, 25 2s are. Yes, 25 2s are 50. So what will be the answer of this? If you are having some large number, you can go practically and divide. Whatever you are getting in the question, that should be written here. So here we are having very simple number. 25 2s are 50. So I had written 2. Next operation is subtraction and we are having number as 10. Now after this division we are having multiplication. Do we have here multiplication? No, we are not having multiplication. Then we have to go for an next operation, that is addition. I am having addition here. So I have to add this together. You can underline in this way, zigzag way. So it will be more easy to understand while solving. 30 plus 2 is 32 minus 10. Minus as it is, number whatever you are having, that is as it is. So it is minus 10. So what is 32 minus 10 is 20. If you are having a large number, you can go practically and you can do the subtraction if you are having some complicated number. This will be in this way. Okay, here even if you are having in the division a large number, you can divide and you can write the step. I think so everyone understood what are the steps we have to follow to simplify the sums. Now we will go further. You know average, the word, very familiar with this, am I right? Yes. Then we will go for the next one, simplification, which is given with a bracket, which is already we had seen the example of this. Yes or no? First we will do the division. First we have to do round bracket we have to solve. Again we have to follow the DMAS. Then we have to go for division. What will be the answer of this? First what we have to do? We have to divide. What will be the answer here? Yes? Anybody? Okay, we will solve here. First we have to go for the division, but before that we are having a square bracket. We have to solve this. 5 2s are 10 divided by 7. 10 divided by 7, if you are getting, you can do in this form and you have to find out the answer. Now next one. Here we will go for another second example, that is 3 plus inside the bracket 4 multiplied by 2. What we have to do first? We have to solve the round bracket which is given to us. Write as it is 3, whatever the operation you are having, you have to write operation. 4 2s are 8. What is 8 plus 3? Yes, it is 11. If you don't have a large number, if you are having, you can do practically to the right hand side and you can solve it. One more example we will go here. 9 minus 1 multiplied by 2. What is, again we are having a round bracket, so we have to solve the round bracket. 9 minus 1 is 8, multiply, write as it is, then we have to write 2. What is 8 2s are 16. So first we have to do the solving of first bracket, we have to solve, then whatever the operations we are having, the rule that is of DMAS, that we have to do. Fourth example I will solve here only. We are having something in the bracket, that is 5 minus 2. I have to solve the bracket first. I will write 5. Here nothing is there. No sign is there. Means what? It is a multiplication. You have to imagine it is a multiplication sign. I can write multiplication sign. And what is my operation here is subtraction. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Nothing is there means when it is in the bracket, before that if you don't have any sign means it is a multiplication sign. So 4 3s are 12. These are the things. What are the different types of sums I had taken here. So you will find out all the concept very clearly, and we have to use the rule as an DMAS, where we have to go for the first division, then we have to go for the subtraction, then we have to go for multiplication, and then we have to go for addition and subtraction. So here we will, one more example we will see here, which is again with different types of a bracket, that is 20 multiplied by, if you don't have any sign then you have to consider as multiplication only, multiplied by, it is a square bracket, inside we are having curly bracket, 28 minus we are having a round bracket, minus 3, and curly bracket is completed, divided by 10, which is now closed with a square bracket. What we have to do first? We have to find out first round bracket. So we will write the step as it is, 20, 20 as it is, multiply, multiply. We are having both the bracket, write the same with a number 28, minus, write as it is minus, solve it, 17 minus 12 is 5. So we have written 5. After solving, what we are is left over, here is minus, write minus as it is, 3, 3 as it is, close with an curly bracket, and whatever the things, that is a divide by 10, write the divide by 10 and close the square bracket. This is our first step. What we had done, first we had solved the round bracket. Next step we have to solve the curly bracket. What is in the curly bracket? We will see 28 minus 5 minus 3. You know what is 28 minus 5 is? Yes, 23 minus 3 is 20. Yes, if you are having some complications, you can do in the right hand side. Practically, you have to do the subtraction. So here is 20, write as it is 20, multiply, multiply, write the square bracket, write the, what we had to write? Already we had solved here, that is 28 minus 5 is 23, 23 minus 3 is 20. Now, what is left? Divide 10. I had closed the bracket. Now what to do? Already I had taught you two, that is different brackets we have to use and different operations we have to use, and which is followed by DMAS. Now we will apply this DMAS rule here. We will write 20 as it is, multiplied by, now my DMAS in the first step is division. So I will do the division, that is 20 divided by 10 is 2. So I will hit written here 2. Now it's very easy, it's a multiplication. Already we are having here multiplication in the DMAS second step. So 20 multiplied by 2 is 40. What? If you are having such a long expressions with a different operations and the different brackets, first you have to solve the brackets and then you have to use the DMAS rule. So you will get step by step, you can solve the sums. You can write your own examples and you can try to solve. Now we will, with the help of yours, I will solve one more example here. Here, what should I do? First, I have to solve this bracket. Yes? Okay, I will start with the steps. I write 2 as it is. I am having a square bracket. 13 plus curly bracket 12 plus 11. What will be the 10 minus 8 is 2. What should be here? Multiplication. So I will write multiplication. I will close with a curly bracket and I will close with a square bracket because I have to close the square bracket here. So I told in the previous sum also, if nothing is there means there is a multiplication sign. Here after this round bracket I have to go for curly bracket. In curly bracket I am having something as a multiplication and my next operations will be addition. So I have to solve first 11 multiplied by 2. So first what should I do? I will write this much. Then whatever it is, as it is I will write. Here is 2 square bracket 13 plus curly bracket 12. What is 11? 2s are 22. What is my operation here is plus this is 22. What should I do? I have to write curly bracket and I have to write square bracket. I have to close it. Now next step I have to go for total curly bracket. I had underlined first whole. Why? Because we were going to solve total curly bracket, but in that we are having something different operations which is of multiplication. So I had done underline 2. He will write here again 2 inside the bracket 13. I will write plus, what is the addition of this? 12 plus 22. If you don't know, I told that day also, once we have to add. This is 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 1 is 3. So what will be the answer? 34. I will put this square bracket because already I had solved the curly bracket, so I am not putting the curly bracket. Now write 2 as it is. What is 13 plus 34? I will write here, this is ones, this is 7 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So it is 47. Now again you have to remember, before the bracket if there is no sign between the numbers, so there will be always multiplication sign. So I should do the multiplication. That day I had already in the previous class I had told you how to do the horizontal multiplication, that is 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, yes, this again 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is our answer, how to go step by step and simplify the given expression. So if you want to do your own creative sums, you can write any number and you can put any bracket. So it will be helpful for you to practice which type of things you are doing. Write the equation of a given situations and solve the problems. What are the situations? Sometimes we are having something we are adding, something we are subtracting, something we are multiplying. That is the different types of a situation. We have to write a solution for this. Here Mohini worked 4 hours in a morning. Suppose you are Mohini, you are working for 4 hours in the morning and 3 hours in afternoon. In her office, means what? 3 hours in the afternoon and 4 hours in morning. If her office is open 5 days in a week, office is working for 5 days in a week, how many hours did she work in a week? What to do then? We had learned in the previous the different types of operations with the help of a DMAS. So we have to find out the statement for this situation. Here it's very simple. Mohini worked 4 hours in morning and 3 hours in afternoon. So what should we do? 4 hours in the morning and 3 hours in the afternoon. I can do the addition of this. Yes. And what is her office working for how many days? Her office is working for 5 days. So I will write here 5. Nothing is there means what? It's a multiplication. Yes. So we have to write this statement. Then you can find out how many hours more Mohini was working in a week. That is, office was open for only 5 days. This is my 5 days. I can't do a total every time for 4 hours morning. 4 for 5 days means 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus. It is very difficult. We are having some rules to follow, and we can write an expressions which will give us a total hours Mohini works in a week. This is our statement, and we have to find out the solution for this. Now, I think so everyone has understood what we had learned today with different types of brackets. Yes, 3 types of brackets. Then we had learned different types of operations with a help of a DMAS. Now the next topic, that is an average. Yes, your teacher might be telling in the class what is the average marks you got in all subjects. The word average she might be talking. Today we will see practically what is meaning of average and how to find out the average of my own marks, your own marks, what you got in the test or examination. Here also some rules we have to follow, that is nothing but a formula of average. What is the meaning of average? Average is equal to sum of all the observations. I will say in the detail, upon number of all observations. What is sum of all? The word here, sum means is nothing but addition. Sum of all observation means you are having a different marks in the test. Here we are having suppose English, Hindi, Marathi, whatever the different marks in the test. We have to do the sum of that. And number of observation is how much? How many subjects you were having? That should be divided. Now we will go for some examples, so you will understand. Find the average of 5, 10 and 15. Very easy? Yes. What is my observations? What things I am having with me is this. Suppose in the one test I got 5 marks, in other test I got 10 marks, in a third test I got 15 marks. I have to find out the average marks I got. What will be the here formula we are having already? So we will write here average is equal to sum of observation upon number of observation. Here observation means there is many different things we can consider, that is marks, number of peoples, number of runs, what you had scored in the different matches. Here we are having one simple example, we will see next. Sum of observation, what is here? I am having this my observation, my question is sum. Sum means what? I have to do the addition. So what I will do? I will write here 5 plus 10 plus 15. Number of observation, how many tests I had? It is 1, 2 and 3. I have to divide by 3. Now, what will be the total of this? Yes, here 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 we are having in the numerator, 3 we are having in the denominator. Can you reduce? Yes, 3 ones are 3 tens are. What will be the answer? What is the average marks I got in the 3 tests? So, I think so everyone understood this. What are the average marks in the 3 tests I got? It is 10. So, we will in the next class, we will see the different types of examples related to average, and then you can understand. Now you can try your different types of numbers and you can solve the example. Thank you dear. Thank you student. Please practice at home.